Hey everyone! Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we're going to tackle an issue that many TikTok users have been facing recently: the photo swipe feature not working. If you've been struggling with this and want to know how to fix it, stick around because I'm going to walk you through some simple solutions. First, let's check if your TikTok app is up to date. Sometimes bugs like this are caused by outdated versions. So, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and if there's an update available, make sure to install it. Once the app is updated, reopen it and see if the photo swipe feature is now working. If updating the app didn't solve the problem, the next thing you can try is clearing TikTok's cache. To do this, open TikTok, go to your profile, and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down and select Clear Cache under Free Up Space. This will remove temporary files that might be causing issues without affecting your content. Another thing you can try is to log out of TikTok and then log back in. Sometimes this simple step can reset certain features and get them working again. After logging in, check if the photo swipe feature works now. Finally, if none of the above methods work, you might want to uninstall and reinstall the app. Doing this can often resolve more stubborn issues as it resets everything related to the app on your device. Just make sure your login details are handy so you can sign back in easily. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you fix the photo swipe feature on TikTok. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.